Hello and welcome to the third video in our series on using the MT5 mobile platform with ADSS. In this video, we'll explore how to read, customize, and trade directly from charts using the MT5 mobile app. Let's start by opening a chart. From your quote screen, tap any instrument, then select Chart. By default, you'll see a candlestick chart, which shows you how the price has moved over time. You can zoom in or out with two fingers, or swipe left and right to scroll through price history. If you prefer a different chart style, tap anywhere on the screen to reveal the chart menu, then tap the settings icon. From here, you can switch between candlesticks, bar charts, and line charts, depending on what you're used to. Each chart type presents price data in a slightly different way. Candlesticks and bar charts both display the open, high, low, and close prices for each time period, offering a detailed view of price action. Line charts, on the other hand, simply connect closing prices over time. This can make them easier to read for beginners and useful for spotting general trends. You can also change the time frame of the chart from 1-minute intervals up to monthly views using the time buttons at the top. This helps you see both short-term and long-term market trends at a glance. If you want to check the price in more detail, tap the Price toggle at the top right of the screen. This lets you switch between bid and ask prices, giving you more control when analyzing the spread or placing a trade. Now, let's add some indicators. In a trading app like MT5, indicators are tools that analyze past price data, and sometimes volume, and help traders make decisions. Tap the Indicators icon to open the Indicators menu. Here, you'll find popular tools like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACD, and more. Select the indicator you want, customize the settings, and tap Done. It will appear directly on your chart or in a separate window below, depending on the type. To remove or adjust indicators, just tap the indicator icon again and edit as needed. If you want to place a trade from the chart view, tap the Trade icon in the top right corner. This brings up the order panel, where you can quickly enter your position based on the chart you're viewing. And that's it. Now you know how to read charts, add indicators, and place trades directly from the MT5 mobile interface. In the next video, we'll look at pending orders, alerts, and how to monitor your account to avoid margin calls. Thanks for watching.